I'm going to break down how to make $500 a day just using Facebook Messenger chat. Now, this is a strategy I've used myself, and you don't need any following. You don't need any funnels, really. You can do this right now today to make a few $100s. Let's shoot for $500. You can do this right now today. Follow along inside this video, and I'm going to show you how to do that with Facebook Messenger chat. And if you're new to the channel, my name's the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, most affiliate marketing gurus out there with their courses and all their tactics that they never actually do, they've taught these strategies for years using Facebook for organic marketing, finding leads on Facebook, finding people to sell affiliate marketing offers to. There's one guru in particular who will remain nameless because I'm not going to waste my time or my breath on him, but he teaches this tactic. He teaches it totally wrong. Most of his people, doing this tactic see no results. They get all upset. They get all mad. We see them come into the affiliate franchise and we fix these problems for them. But let me show you the Facebook Messenger chat strategy that is guaranteed to make you hundreds of dollars a day just from your phone, without funnels, without any fancy stuff. You can get started today. Just grab yourself an affiliate link and start selling inside of Facebook. Let me walk you through it. Now, the first question you're probably asking yourself is, okay, well, where do I get these leads? Where do I get people to talk to in Messenger? How does that work? Do I need to run ads? Do I need anything fancy? No, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And I'm going to show you that this has actually been taught for a long time, but it's been taught the wrong way. Okay, a lot of gurus will teach you this, but they won't teach you how to do it the right way because they don't know. They're just copying off each other. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into a Facebook group, right? You're going to go into a Facebook group. A lot of gurus will teach you this strategy. Hopefully I'm out of the way. As you can see here, that you go into a Facebook group. A lot of gurus will teach you this strategy, but they don't know how to teach it right. Now, why do you join a Facebook group around your niche, around your industry, around the thing that you've chosen to sell? Maybe it's a weight loss product. Maybe it's a relationship product. Maybe it's a make money online product. Join the Facebook groups that are centered around those topics, because those are prime areas, prime places online where people have congregated together and have decided, hey, I need help with this problem. I need a solution. This is where people are talking about solutions. These are the kinds of people you want to target. You can do this completely for free. You don't need to run ads. Anyone can join a Facebook group. And there's a few things I want to say about the Facebook group. Don't join public groups. That's number one. Join private ones where you have to answer questions because the lead quality is better. But also, make sure you're not in there just spamming. Don't just start posting buy my stuff in there. You will get removed from the group. Now, let's go. But before I get into the strategy here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below. I don't get paid for any of this stuff. YouTube pays like pennies. They pay nothing. But I want to make sure that you guys have all the best strategies. And people ask me all the time. They go to join the affiliate franchise. Say, oh my God, I can't afford anything right now. How do I get started? You get started with the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel right here, I'm giving away a lot of free stuff. I want to help you guys move forward and start making money so that you can join us and you can get the help to get to the next level. Okay, so let's go. So you've joined the Facebook group. What's the next thing you want to do? You want to add friends from this Facebook group. Everybody has the capability of adding friends on Facebook, right? You can send friend requests. Now, there's a specific way that you do this, and we can't cover it in this video because this video will be like an hour long, but you get the concept. The basic concept is add friends from this group because they've already raised their hand. They've already said, hey, I'm interested in this topic. I need help with this. So add those people to be your friends on Facebook. A lot of times I get this question, how do I get leads? How do I get leads? Well, this is one of the ways to get leads, and it's one of the most quick and efficient ways to get leads because you can literally choose your leads. You can literally pick who you want to speak to, who you want to put your offer in front of. This is the easiest way to get leads online. You're just adding friends on Facebook. They look like they're a potential lead, add them, and let's get into a conversation in Messenger. So there it is. That's the next part, is we're going to go over to Messenger, right? We're going to draw a little envelope and put Messenger or message, right? We're going to start messaging them. Now, this specifically right here, right now, is exactly where all the gurus teach this absolutely completely wrong. They do it the wrong way. They teach you the wrong way. They teach every other client the wrong way. And everybody runs around on Facebook and gets super frustrated, makes no sales, and then they end up in the affiliate franchise where we help them get over the hump. But I'm going to show you exactly the right way. But first, comment down below. I'm interested to know. Comment down below if you've tried any courses that taught you this kind of stuff, and I'm going to show you exactly the right way to do it. Now, I want to write down our goal, because without a goal, without a destination, without a map to where you want to go, you're just going to get lost, okay? So I'm going to put down here $500 a day, and in order to get $500 a day, the best thing to do is to sell a $1,000 product, okay? A $1,000 product at 50% commission, which there's a ton of them, okay? It's easy to find this kind of stuff. So if we're selling a $1,000 product, this is high ticket, and we're getting a 50% commission, then we can make $500 a day just by making one sale. That way you're not just sitting there in Facebook Messenger all day, every day. Instead, you're just having a few key conversations with leads, with people that are interested. How do we know they're interested? Remember, they were in the Facebook group about the topic. So they're interested in solving this problem. But how do we approach this? There's a specific way to run this conversation to make sure that you get the sale. Now, I found, and in the affiliate franchise, we found that the conversion rate in Facebook Messenger is about 5%, which is actually more, okay? 5% conversion rate is more than your typical funnel, webinar, videos, all that stuff. That's because you're having a singular one-to-one conversation with a human being, and people like that. People like that you're a real person who they're having a real conversation with. They don't feel like they're a number or they're talking to a robot. So messenger conversations work extremely well. So let's run this number. And this is one of the things that we are so good at in the affiliate franchise, and we walk you through and we train you. We make sure you're really sharp if you want to run this strategy. There's many strategies that we teach, but this is one of the strategies you can do anywhere. Even when you're not home, you just have your phone, you're at your kid's baseball game, you can do this, okay? So let's say at a 5% sale rate, a close rate, all right, a conversion rate, you're making sales 5%, right? So that means that out of every 50 conversations, right, at 5%, you should be able to make one sale. 50 conversations. It seems like a lot, but it's really, really simple to just add people on Facebook. You can add about 20 to 25 people per day on Facebook without Facebook coming down hard on you and like banning your account because you're being spammy. So that means that every 2 days you will have had at least 50 conversations, and it starts to add up. So you can see that making $500 a day is really, really simple, actually. You start building this up, you do this strategy every day, you start to roll over, and a lot of those people that didn't buy yesterday, they start to buy today. But how do we do this? Let's get into this, because this is what you're all here for, right? Number one, the very first thing you want to do in this conversation, and we have exact scripts that you can use inside of the affiliate franchise so that you're not lost, and so that you don't know what to say next and all that good stuff. But from a high level overview, the very first thing you do is you start with rapport. This is the number one thing that every guru is teaching the wrong way. They teach, oh my God, make a bunch of money with Facebook Messenger. All you gotta do is talk to people, tell them how great the thing is that you're selling. Click here, oh my God, here's my affiliate link. It's so great, so wonderful, you don't wanna miss out. That is terrible, okay? Do you think that if anybody did that to you, that you would actually want to buy that thing? Of course not. You're going to remove them from your friends list. You're going to block them. They're annoying. They're spamming you. They're scamming. They're horrible. They stink, right? You have like that sales breath. So everything that you know about selling, everything that gurus teach you about selling is actually the opposite of what will get you the results that you're looking for. What you want to do is not sell. Okay, people want to do business with someone that they know, like, and trust. So the first part of your conversation is simple. It's just building rapport. You're having a genuine, real conversation with this person. Okay, I'm going to go over to my Facebook Messenger. I'm going to show you how mine are mapped out after this. But that's the first thing you want to do. Look at their profile. Show them, talk to them about something that they're interested in. Have a conversation with them. Say something about where you live and where you're from and what you're all about. Get to know people. That's it. That's one of the big secrets. Your conversions, your sales will be much better if you're able to hit this off right from the beginning. If you're able to hit this and do this right from the beginning, the relationship is solidified. They trust you. They think you're a decent human being, and they don't block you, and they don't get scared of you, right? They think, oh, this person's really cool, okay? That's the first thing that you want to do. You just want to be genuine right up front. The next thing that you want to do is what I call the transition. Now we go really deep into this because you have to do it right. If you want to do this transition, you're working from your phone and just traveling and doing all this and chatting whenever you get some downtime, making some money from Facebook Messenger, you have to get the transition just right. Now, what's the transition? You're going from rapport, right, where you're friendly and you're having a good time, you're just talking, and then you just bring up the problem that is basically the Facebook group that they were in, right? If it was weight loss, if it was make money online, if it was relationship, if it was whatever, wherever, however you found them, you're bringing up that in conversation. You're saying, hey, so I saw that you were in this make money online group. What brought you to that group? Right? They're more privy and they're more open to answering that question because remember, you won them over with rapport. You won them over with your genuineness, okay? You have to win people over. People aren't just going to talk to whoever, just random strangers. But if you're like, hey, I saw you in this group about finding a great relationship. What brought you to that group? I'm just curious, right? Just ask that question, leave it an open-ended thing. And boom, the conversation goes in a very good direction, okay? Now it's like, hey, now we're talking about the problem that they're having. And remember, if they trust you, they get really open with you. Say, well, I just broke up with my girlfriend a few weeks ago. I'm just looking for someone else. I saw some dating advice stuff. Now they're opening up to you. And that's what you really want. That's how you're able to sell to people. Sell comes from a Greek term that means to serve. Remember, selling is not bad. It's not dirty. It's the way that these damn gurus are teaching you. It's this ugly like, oh, buy now. And it's like all you care about is money. If you really want to sell, all you have to do is put people first. You have to serve them. And when they're telling you they're having these problems, this is the transition phase. And this is key and this is really important because now they're wide open and asking you, basically breaking it down to you and telling you about the help that they're looking for. And next, after we hit the transition and now we're having a conversation about their problem, we're going to get into what I've coined what I've coined the doctor frame. You think about it. When you go to the doctor's office, right, the first thing they're going to ask you after they do a little bit of rapport, they're going to ask you, well, what's wrong? What's been hurting? Why are you here today? Oh, my throat hurts, my this, my that. And they're going to diagnose you, right? So to put it in parentheses here, we're going to call this diagnose. So diagnosing someone or being the doctor, right? Finding that doctor frame is all about, okay, they're telling me their problems. I want to get deeper about their problems. I want to figure out what is the right offer for them. You might have one or multiple affiliate links that you're promoting, multiple things that you're trying to sell out there. So you want to figure out what is the right thing for them. Think about what everybody else does with this Facebook Messenger strategy. They just assume that everyone on the planet just wants their damn thing, right? If you're just like, here's my affiliate link for my really cool thing, how can you not want it? It's amazing. How do you know it's the right offer for them? The only way you'll ever know is if you ask, okay? All you have to do to serve people and to sell to people and to make commissions is, again, put them first. So let's get deeper about this. And there's very specific questions that we teach you to ask inside the affiliate franchise. We can't get all into that today and give away scripts and everything like that. That's all in the program. But to walk you through this from a high level so that you understand it, we have to turn into the doctor at this point and really diagnose the problem. Okay, I'm curious. Can I ask you, how long ago did you break up with her? You said a few weeks. How's that been? Like, how's the struggle been? Or how have you been, hey, I totally relate to that. If you do, that's even better. You keep rapport going, okay? Keep rapport going. Let them know you understand. Let them know you've been through something like that before so that you can have this conversation about, what they're looking for and what they want to do. That's it. And finally, last but not least, after they've broken down and you've diagnosed them, you've asked them a few questions about what they're looking for and how things have been going and such, we're going to pitch them. But we're not going to pitch them the way that the gurus teach you, okay? Period, point blank, it doesn't work. The gurus teach you, hey, send them your affiliate link. Oh, wham, bam, this is the most amazing thing. That's the worst way you can pitch an offer. I promise you that. It doesn't work. People get repulsed by it and you're going to lose a friend, right? They're going to get rid of you. Say, oh my God, that guy just wants money, wants to sell me. Instead, ask them if they're open to something like this. Say, hey, well, I happen to be an affiliate for this program here that I think might help you. If you would be open to clicking on this link and checking it out, it has a video about, exactly what you were saying, that you can find the right one and it doesn't take a whole lot of work. Whatever they said, you reflect it back to them. Because remember, people want to make buying decisions that they came up with on their own. They don't want you to sell them. They want to buy the thing that they're looking for. So as long as you're in service, always be in service mode. You're the doctor, you're diagnosing, you're prescribing them the exact thing that they want. So when you do the pitch, it's really more of a question. Hey, I have this affiliate link for this program. It kind of sounds like the thing that you're looking for. It kind of touches all the bases. Would you be open to taking a look at it or no? You're leaving it up to them. And I promise you, your conversions, your sales, your commissions are going to go skyrocket and go way through the roof. Now I'm going to show you the screen over at my Facebook. I don't do this strategy a whole lot myself anymore because, I mean, you know, I have a staff and we run ads and we're pretty big. But that being said, this is something that I did early on in my affiliate marketing career that I absolutely mastered. I consider myself like the master of Facebook Messenger. I'm really good at this stuff. And I promise you, you can get sales every single day when you master this. I'm talking high ticket, talking $500 to $1,000 every single day. And it's not hard. It's not hard. It's just about shifting your mind and your perspective from selling to serving. Do not sell people, serve them, help them, right? Ask them what they're looking for. And then you just have these affiliate programs, products, services, courses, whatever you have. That's like, hey, this might be the best fit. Would you check this out, or would you, would you be open to looking at it? Here's the link. And they'll say, yeah, of course. Because remember, you won their respect. You got them to know, like, and trust you. You put them first. You ask them questions, right? You diagnose the problem. You treated them like a human being and with respect. And people love that. They have no problem buying from you when you put them first. Now, let's go over to it. So last but not least, here you go. Here's how things basically work on my Facebook Messenger. I have other staff members that come in here and run my scripts too whenever I'm pretty busy, and I don't really do this as much as I used to. But you can see here, having this conversation with this guy, Nick. Maybe I should blur out his name. I'm not sure. Don't harass him or anything like that. Seems like a nice guy. But you can see this conversation went on for quite a while. I've known Nick for a while, right? And you can see some of these are kind of brand new conversations. Nathan King, let's see here. See you tomorrow. So here's a guy who agreed to a call. I barely knew him, right? So it looks like this guy, I say, hey, nice to meet you. I have a ton of resources. Can I send them over? Hey, what's your story? You can see how I'm kind of asking him questions. All of this is just about skilled questions to try to figure out how can I serve this person. And if I can't, that's okay too. You have to be okay with not trying to sell to everybody. Only provide service for the people that really need it. Got you. What's your goal? Hey, what would you feel is possibly holding you back? I'm just curious. What would you like to find help with, or whatever, right? And boom, when I get to the pitch, I say things like, okay, cool. Do you feel like it's appropriate if we can set up like a 10-minute chat to see if I can point in the right direction? Now, this is for the affiliate franchise, right? Because I want to get on a call and talk to them and see if we can help them. But if it was for any other affiliate program, or something you found on ClickBank, it's still the same. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you can jump on a call with them if you want to. It definitely deepens the relationship. I decided to do that because I barely knew this person, so I wanted to kind of make sure that he was the right fit for the program, because we don't work with just anybody. But even if you're selling stuff off like ClickBank or wherever you're selling stuff from, or Legendary Market, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as you're positioning as you're asking for permission. You're saying, hey, well, that sounds like I might be able to help you with that. I have this thing called like Legendary Marketer, or Jonathan Montoya's program, Freedom Breakthrough, right? And hey, would you like to check it out? Would you be open to taking a look at it? Or no? I mean, that's okay too. I always give people options and let them know, hey, I'm still your buddy. I'm still your friend. I don't care if you buy or not. I'm really just looking to help you out. Right? People love that. I promise you they love that, okay? So in a nutshell, I hope you like that, because that was a huge, huge thing that helped me get over the hump, helped me make 6 figures with affiliate marketing. Back when I did solely that, I didn't have any of my own offers. I didn't have courses. I didn't have a coaching program. I didn't have anything. I only sold for other people. And a lot of times I made a lot of thousands and thousands of dollars, a lot of my sales from just Facebook Messenger. Okay, so it's a common misconception that you need these funnels and fancy paid ads and all that. You don't really need that stuff. If you put people first and you do stuff like that, you can make sales every single day with affiliate marketing. That being said, I'm the infamous Joel. Watch this video right here, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.